In this video, I talk about how to fix Marvel Rivals lagging and shuttering issue on PC. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. For this, you need to consider these steps. Number 1. Restart your PC. A simple restart can often resolve temporary issues. Number 2. Check internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for online games. Ensure you have a strong and consistent connection. Number 3. Reduce network load. Close other applications using the internet, especially those with high bandwidth requirements. Number 4. Prioritize game traffic. Some routers allow you to prioritize game traffic. Check your router settings for this option. Number 5. Verify game integrity. Sometimes corrupted game files can cause issues. Verify the integrity of your game files through the game's launcher. Number 6. Update Windows. Keep your Windows operating system up to date with the latest patches. Number 7. Monitor CPU and GPU usage. Use Task Manager to similar tools to monitor CPU and GPU usage while playing. High usage might indicate performance bottlenecks. Number 8. Check for overheating. Sometimes overheating can lead to performance drops. Ensure your PC is properly ventilized. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of videos. Thank you so much for watching.